International vehicle manufacturers count on reliable, scalable, and powerful battery systems for equipping their electric commercial vehicles. In Darmstadt, Germany, the technology leader Akasol develops and produces such innovative modular high-performance battery systems. What started as a student group winning multiple world champion titles with their custom-developed solar vehicles is now a fast-growing global player in e-mobility. Akasol's business success is based on the ambition to develop long-range, cost-efficient batteries for electric vehicles that are suitable for everyday use. Today, its advanced high-power battery systems are an integral part of the design concepts of the world's leading commercial electric vehicle manufacturers. Akasol's modular and flexible product portfolio stands out for its very high energy density and exceptional thermal management, allowing for compact and freely scalable design. The engineering teams cooperate closely with their technology suppliers to constantly increase the battery system's performance. This enables Akasol to offer continuous efficiency improvements in its product range. Developing such high-performance, modular OEM battery system calls for a highly powerful, durable, and reliable pluggable connection solution that is also extremely safe and has the necessary certification for use in the automotive industry. Of course, the connectors must also be resistant to vibration. In teamwork with Akasol, Staubli has configured a connection solution flexible enough to support a 30% increase in performance in the battery's concept, even without any design modifications.
Staubli zeigt sich sehr flexibel, unsere Bedürfnisse, aber auch die Anforderungen des Kunden jederzeit zu erfüllen.
The Staubli CombiTac solution, which carries current as well as data signals between the individual battery modules and to the power electronics, allows for safe battery maintenance operations.
Staubli hat auf Anhieb verstanden, die strengen Sicherheitsanforderungen unseres Kunden umzusetzen.
Simply unplugging the power module from the battery enables technicians to work safely with no live voltage. Therefore, it's possible to change fuses with no need for an electrician and additional safety staff. In addition, the Staubli CombiTac also enables monitoring of the power electronics with the CAN bus by means of a customer-specific configuration. Furthermore, the required connection specifications were taken into account by Staubli, delivering pre-assembled cables. This robust CombiTac solution guarantees a quick, easy, and safe installation for the assembler and long-lasting and durable operation for the customers.